Jamaica was hit hard again, but this time the storm made history. Hurricane Melissa struck with 185-mile-per-hour winds, the strongest storm ever recorded making landfall in Jamaica. Record pressure, record gusts, and destruction across farms, homes, and power lines. To understand how powerful Melissa really was, compare it to Hurricane Gilbert. Gilbert hit Jamaica with around 130 miles per hour winds, catastrophic at the time. But Melissa came stronger, faster, and with an intensity Jamaica has never seen before. From wind speed to damage, Melissa stands at the top, Jamaica's toughest hurricane challenge to date. But hear this, Jamaica has a power stronger than any hurricane: our faith, our unity, and our resilience. Every recovery starts with God, and every rebuilding starts with love, community, and togetherness. Jamaica, we will rise again, stronger than before. Prayers up for the island and for everyone rebuilding. For helpful resources and support, visit shopwithasmile7.com and yourvitalnaturalmedicines.com.